Welcome to Planet Kiki. Planet Kiki. Planet Kiki. 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 Kiki.
Okay, guys, what are we doing today?
This is one of my favorite looks, and I've been rocking it for a minute.
One of my favorite looks, and I've been rocking this for a minute now. No makeup look.
Alright, so we're beginning this recreation look with the beige cardigan. Now, the beige cardigan in the video is obviously different. I purchased mine from Shein. I know, problematic. However, the quality is extremely well made and very soft and comfortable. Next are the accessories. Now, y'all forgive me, I don't have the most amount of accessories, but I tried my best by pairing it with a lot of gold and brown elements. My favorite part, however, are the tattoos. We all know that Rihanna is known for her hand tattoos. I wanted to pay homage to that. However, I chose butterfly tattoos. They're not as tribal, but they are definitely edgy. So let's begin with this outfit. And then we have the accessories. I think I did a pretty good job. I felt banging this day. I also did my makeup exactly like hers. Can I have like a round of applause, please?